COVID restrictions are to be further tightened in parts of the northeast as early as next week, with the possibility of closing bars and restaurants, according to media reports. Ministers were said to be considering new measures which could come as early as Monday, but many bar and restaurant owners are concerned on what this means for businesses and how this could further damage the northeast's economy.
It's already really tough for hospitality, and I know of one organisation that got in touch with us to say that their takings in the last week were down 85% on what they were previously. It's just not sustainable for people in that sector, and it's a very tough time. We know that measures need to be put in place to protect public health, and you know, we all want this pandemic to be over. We all want to get back to some sense of normality. What is clearly needed is support for businesses in those sectors that are hardest hit to help them get through this. That's both financial support to help with cash flow, but also the measures announced around the job support scheme just aren't quite enough and aren't suitable for sectors like hospitality, but also tourism, aviation and others that are going to be affected.
A number of local council leaders have complained the government is refusing to consult them or keep them fully informed. Newcastle City Council leader Nick Forbes has stated the government need a stronger sense of partnership with local authorities to help provide business owners with enough support to tackle the effects of the pandemic.
Government needs to really overhaul the way it communicates these messages. They can't keep leaking it to the press. They need clear guidance, and that involves consultation with organisations like ourselves at the Chambers, with businesses directly affected, to know what they're going to need to get through this, but also to know what information they require. Already this morning, we've had lots of questions from businesses who have read things in the papers, don't know what this means for them, don't know when the rules are going to come in, and that stems from a sort of almost non-existent communication strategy around this.